Hello viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet book cover designs model. Let's start. A crochet book cover design refers to a protective and decorative cover made using crochet techniques. Crochet involves creating fabric by interlocking knobs of yarn using a crochet hook. The design can vary widely based on personal preferences, ranging from simple and functional to intricate and decorative. Here are some tips for creating a crochet book cover. Measure accurately. Measure the dimensions of the book height, width, and spine width to ensure your cover fits perfectly. Don't forget to add a little extra or account for the thickness of the yarn and shape allowances. Choose the right color. Use yarn that is durable and easy to clean. Cotton yarn is good choice for a sturdy cover, while acrylic or prints can offer a range of colors and textures. Select the right hook. Match your crochet hook size to the yarn weight to ensure the cover has the right jump and fit. Consider stress. Crochet fabric can be somewhat stressy, so ensure your cover fits snugly, but it is not too tight. Make a swatch. Create a small swatch with your chosen yarn and hook to test the pattern and ensure it meets your expectation for size and texture. Choose a pattern. Start with a simple pattern if you are a beginner. Basic stitches like single or double crochet can create beautiful results. You can also find many crochet book cover patterns online for inspiration. Add functional elements. Include features like a button closer, a tie, or even a flap to keep the cover securely on the book. Incorporate personal touches. Personalize the cover with appliques, embroidery, or other decorative elements to make it unique. Finishing touches. Weave in any loose ends and consider blocking the cover to shape it properly and improve the overall appearance. Practice patterns. Crochet can be time-consuming, especially for detailed designs. Take your time to ensure each step. Start carefully for the best results. Gauze swatch. Always check your gauze with the swatch to ensure your cover will be the right size. Adjust your hook size if necessary to match the pattern's gauze. Add reinforcement for extra stability. Consider adding a fabric lining or interfacing to the inside of the cover. This can help maintain the shape and provide additional protection. Experiment with textures. Combine different color spaces or techniques to add interesting textures and visual appeal. For example, you could use double spaces for a 3D effect or like spaces for a delicate look. Plan the design. Sketch your design or create a pattern outline before you start. This can help you visualize the final product and ensure all elements fit together seamlessly. Use stitch markers if you are working with a pattern that includes different sections or motifs. Use stitch markers to keep track of your progress and maintain consistency. Check for fit regularly. As you work periodically, check the fit of your cover on the book to make sure it is not too tight or too loose. This allows for adjustments before finishing. Secure edge. Consider adding a border around the edge of the cover to prevent curling and give a polished finish. Secure edge. Consider adding a border around the edge of the cover to prevent curling and give a polished finish. Consider button placement. If using buttons, seal them securely and ensure they don't interfere with the book's opening. You can also use knobs or magnetic closures for a different fastening method. Document your process. Keep notes or take photos of your work in progress. This can be helpful for further reference or if you want to recreate the design. By keeping these tips in mind, you can create a beautifully crafted and functional crochet book cover. Thank you so much for watching this